In the realm of home organization, the quest for efficiency often leads to ingenious solutions that transform cluttered spaces into harmonious sanctuaries. Imagine a home where every item has its place, where chaos gives way to tranquility, and where creativity flourishes within a structured environment. Here are 10 genius organization hacks that not only enhance functionality, but also elevate the aesthetic of your living space, making it a true reflection of your personality. First, consider the humble pegboard. Often relegated to garages or workshops, pegboards can be a game changer in various rooms. In the kitchen, for instance, a pegboard can serve as a stylish yet functional wall-mounted storage solution. Hang pots, pans, and utensils within easy reach, and add a splash of color with painted hooks. This not only frees up cabinet space, but also turns your kitchen into a vibrant display of culinary tools, inspiring creativity in meal preparation. Next, let's talk about vertical storage. In any home, floor space is often at a premium, making vertical solutions essential. Bookshelves can be repurposed beyond their traditional role. By placing a bookshelf in the entryway, you create an instant drop zone for keys, bags, and shoes. Add decorative bins or baskets on the lower shelves to keep smaller items organized, while the upper shelves can showcase plants or decorative pieces, marrying functionality with aesthetics. This hack transforms a simple piece of furniture into a multi-purpose station that welcomes you home. For those who love crafting but struggle with the aftermath of creativity, a rolling cart can be a lifesaver. Imagine a mobile craft station that can be wheeled into the living room for family projects and tucked away in a closet when not in use. Fill the cart with supplies, from paints and brushes to papers and scissors, and label each section. This not only keeps your materials organized, but also makes it easy to clean up after a crafting session. When creativity strikes, everything you need is at your fingertips. And when it's time to tidy up, it's as simple as rolling the cart back to its designated spot. Moving on to the realm of clothing, the concept of a capsule wardrobe can revolutionize your closet space. By curating a collection of versatile pieces that mix and match effortlessly, you can minimize clutter and streamline your daily routine. Choose a color palette that resonates with your style and select items that can be layered or accessorized. This hack not only simplifies your wardrobe, but also reduces decision fatigue each morning, allowing you to start your day with clarity and confidence. In the bathroom, under-sink storage often becomes a black hole of forgotten products. However, with a few clear bins and labels, you can transform this space into a model of organization. Group similar items together, hair products, skincare, and cleaning supplies, and designate a bin for each category. This not only makes it easy to find what you need, but also prevents the accumulation of expired or unused items. A simple glance under the sink reveals everything at your disposal, making your morning routine more efficient and enjoyable. Next, let's explore the idea of using furniture as storage. Ottomans and benches with hidden compartments can serve dual purposes, providing both seating and storage. In a living room, an ottoman can house blankets, magazines, or games, keeping the space tidy while enhancing its functionality. This hack is especially useful in smaller homes where every inch counts. By choosing pieces that are both beautiful and practical, you can create a living area that invites relaxation without sacrificing organization. For the home office, consider the power of wall-mounted shelves. Instead of letting paperwork and supplies pile up on your desk, install shelves above your workspace. Use decorative boxes to store documents and office supplies, and keep the most frequently used items within easy reach. This not only clears your desk, but also creates an inspiring atmosphere, allowing you to focus on your tasks without the distraction of clutter. A clean workspace fosters creativity and productivity, making it easier to tackle projects with enthusiasm. Another clever hack involves repurposing everyday items for organization. Take, for example, a tension rod. In the kitchen, a tension rod under the sink can hold spray bottles, freeing up valuable cabinet space. In the closet, it can be used to hang scarves or accessories, turning a chaotic jumble into a visually appealing display. This simple tool, often overlooked, can be a versatile ally in your organization efforts, proving that creativity knows no bounds. When it comes to keeping track of important documents, a family command center can be a lifesaver. Designate a wall or a small area in your home to house calendars, to-do lists, and important reminders. Use a combination of bulletin boards, clipboards, and magnetic strips to create a visually engaging hub for your family's activities. This not only keeps everyone informed, but also fosters a sense of teamwork and accountability. By centralizing your family's plans, you create a more cohesive and organized living environment. Finally, let's not forget the power of seasonal decluttering. As the seasons change, so too should your belongings. Set aside time every few months to assess what you truly need and what can be donated or discarded. This practice not only keeps your home organized, but also allows you to appreciate the items you cherish. By embracing a mindset of minimalism, you create space for new experiences and memories, ensuring your home remains a sanctuary of peace and creativity. Incorporating these 10 genius organization hacks into your home can transform your living space into a haven of functionality and harmony. By embracing creativity and practicality, you can cultivate an environment that reflects your lifestyle and values. Every item in its place, every space utilized to its fullest potential. This is the essence of a well-organized home, where chaos bows to order and inspiration thrives. With each small change, you take a step closer to a living space that not only serves your needs but also nourishes your spirit.